Hi, Joel, yeah. Yeah. Oh, got the Creighton and the stash.
Coming back.
Joel got another baby. Oh, you got the Willy ball there and everything, huh? Oh yeah, you need some foams. They got foams in stock now and oh shit. Let me stay away from you. You baby. Tassel better.
I know.
Oh, whoa. Hey. Uh-oh. Something broke. Nah, that's what that been there. My cup came loose again. That's why I brought another car just in case. Just for bashing and shit. Got the brakes up too high. The nitro out, Talia. Joel got the crane, he just put it back in the box. Joel put his car back in the box when he finished running it. Brakes still high.
¿Tienes otro de él?
Sí. Woo! Ready or more? What happened? Ready? Ready? Joel, what happened? No more?
Don't bother it. Really? Come on, man.
I took off already.
Tienen la agua prendida, ¿verdad? Para hacer
Sí. Sí, porque si no, no sale. ¿En serio agotó la batería?
Supuestamente, no creo eso.
Che, métele la cajita antes, Este es tramposo. Este es truquero, sí. Nacho, este no es mago, pero es truquero.
Yo no le di el nombre de ser mago, pero truquero sí. Tiene la llave para hacerla.
Two about to go out with the ETX circuit. So on 3S. Joel charging up. We got Omar out with the Talia. Messing around in the parking lot. Nice and straight though. My boy, focus.
I'm back.
Three y'all. Look like you want to pop up. Ooh. Open her up. Stretch her legs. See if she do off the dig. That wasn't bad. Huh? You got 6 that's in there, huh? Nah, I ain't worried about that. Come on, I'm on 3S.
The other 2 batteries, I usually run in 4, but the other 2 batteries are...
Watch out, this car.
The other 2 batteries are low.
You got some clicking. Ready, set, go. Oh.
Fuck. Come on, man.
And the big head. We going to that tree over there. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Quedó ahí en el arranque. Todo ese no está como tiene que estar. Yo vendo una batería que me tienen 2. Si tuviera 2. Esa tiene 3.
We're going again? I'll give you the dig. I'll give you the dig. Once you leave, I'm going to leave.
I don't know. Nah, you go normal. Come on, you're gonna do that.
Hey, you take off. Alright, you ready? Set, go. Oh, she did a wheelie. Oh, he caught you the big one. Why you stop? The tree, the second tree where we go.
Oh! You're talking about that one.
Nah, not that pole. That was a good run though. And they did a wheelie off the line. Never did a wheelie. To the second tree, right? Ready, set, go. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got him. Oh!
Good?
No, the battery. Ah, that was the battery I was dragging? Yup. Look, I wrapped the casing off of it and everything, but it's still good. Ready? 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 Aye!
What is it? 3S?
Yeah.
Still the same?
You thought I went up on you? Had to turn the brake down. Alright, you ready? Steady? Go. Oh, got him.
Como quiera me queda al lado. Como quiera me queda al lado.
I was waiting for you to wheelie and then I was gonna go, woo!
Yeah, so stood by side. No, but I cannot imagine that 6S.
What, yours?
No, yours.
Nah, I don't want to run this on 6S. That shit ain't gonna hold up. Hey, I can't back up. I'm gonna reverse. Ready, set it, go. Oh, it took off. That was a good takeoff. You ain't wheelie. I'm gonna have to hit you with the gas one time. Huh? I got you. I'm ready now. I have to hit you with the gas one time. Ready, set, go. Oh. Hi. I got you, Omar. He jumping on me. That's why he getting it. He jumping. He's a red light.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Like try that on the tree. One day I'm gonna go up 2S on the tree with you. You go 3S.
Ready. 2S, 2S.
Be careful.
Steady, go. Oh, we got him.
I came out wheeling too.
I had to hit it on you on the line. I had to hit it on you. Alright, you ready? Set, go. Oh no. Ready? Set, go.
Yeah, I took it out. I got hit.
¿Dice tú es?
Corriendo los S y el 3.
No. Ese bacalao.
No, hit not hit on boy.
¿La batería quién era? ¿La batería quién era?
Better. They want to make sure it's 2S.
Check your car.
Yeah, I know. Go. Nice save. That was a good one.
En la escuela que tienen que ver con aquí hay mucho chichón. Aquí la escuela en
You ready?
la calle.
Set, go. You ready? Head up that line. Chase them down. Ready? Set, go. Oh, you?
Vamos detrás de él, vamos allá.
Set, go.
What the hell is 2S? Now it's got more power.
Alright, ready? Set, go. I was catching with that big ass. You ready? Set, go. Oh, you got me that one. And I pulled full throttle at the end. You still. Ready? Set, go.
Después del 4, llega a las 3:30, pero. Siempre como esa hora. 3:30, 4.
Darle break que llegue.
I'm gonna take off full throttle this time. Ready? Set, go. That thing kicked in. Let's do a course. Let's go up, go around that pole, come back around. Alright, buddy. 2 laps. 2 laps. Would you want to go this way or that way?
Whatever way you want.
Alright, let's go this way. 2 laps. Round the pole, back.
This way?
We're gonna go this way, round the pole, come back, one around the pole, and the first one back way. Ready? Set, go. Oh, I ain't even going around it. Oh, and I went right up to
Igual que el tipo de ayer.
Push out.
Ready, set, go. Oh. Yeah. Dale like this. Cabrón. Huh? Listen, he make it more better though. We go around anyway. 2 laps. Just don't crash.
We'll go around where?
Right there. You go right up to his shit and go right up there. You gotta be nice with that.
Throttle though.
Ready? Set, go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
rollo, me da miedo.
¡Ay! Oh, I hit it, I hit it.
Jugarlo suave ahí.
¡Ay! ¡Oh! ¡Woohoo! Yeah!
Se me cargó uno.
Yo no lo aprieto completo, una pendeja de sacarlo.
I'm gonna wait for this one. Till better, better. I got top end though.
You got top end too. You staying right next to me. Cause I took off, but you staying right next to me when we was just racing. Yeah, you got stretch. I just get up there. I stripped out my street racer.
Yeah, he's on that ticket line on
Coming. I blew my diff with you. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, and that was two-wheel drive what I was eating with just now. That was a good race though. Good video. I'll put that video up tomorrow.